Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Laura Noland at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Ram Periakaruppan, Vice President and General Manager of Network Test Business at Keysight Ixia. Ram, welcome to OCP TV.
Hi, great to be here, Laura, and good to meet you virtually as well.
Same here. Well, tell our viewers about Keysight.
So Keysight is the world's largest test and measurement company for electronic signaling. For those of you that are not familiar with the Keysight name, we spun out of HP Agilent in 2014, and we're a standalone public company that's part of the S&P 500. We have a long and storied history dating back well over 80 years to when Bill and Dave founded HP in a Palo Alto garage. And more recently now, Keysight wanted to expand into the IP, Ethernet, and visibility markets. So they acquired a company called Ixia in 2017. And Ixia is now a Keysight business and part of a broader and bigger Keysight family.
So what does Keysight do?
So testing is a critical function for organizations developing new technology, right? So fundamentally what we do is we work with visionaries in the industry to develop test solutions needed to validate these bleeding edge technologies. And as for our involvement with OCP community, I think it really gives us the insight needed to build innovative test and visibility products that are very catered to the open networking technologies that are being advanced as part of OCP.
Ram, what's the latest at Keysight? Do you have any company news to share with us?
Sure. We have two primary themes this year at the OCP Summit. The first is our commitment to Sonic. And building on that commitment, we're going to be launching two brand new products for the open networking environment. And I'll expand on both of these comments. First is our commitment to Sonic. We have over 20 years of testing experience in high performance routing and switching. And we'd really like to be able to share this experience with the OCP community. We're contributing new test methodologies, automated code for the test environments and platforms, and really our participation in the Sonic ecosystem to move advanced things forward. With regards to the products, the first is a brand new product called Ixia 100T32, UHD 100T32. It is going to ring in a new era of testing for open source white box switching, fundamentally revolutionizing how we design and build high performance test hardware. And taking the Ixia IP that we developed over the last 20 years, coupling that together with Intel's Tofino's programmability in merchant silicon, and really creating the best of both worlds by creating unparalleled scale at a very good cost efficiency, and being able to create a platform in a very DevOps friendly environment. So this solution will really help move things forward from testing open source OCP based white box switches that are running Sonic. And the second product is something called Vision Edge OS. And what we're doing here is we're following the same open disaggregated architecture. We're taking, we've transitioned to Ixia network packet broker architecture, and created a new OS called Vision Edge OS that can run on open white box switches. So fundamentally, again, taking the best of OCP, taking Ixia technology, coupling it together, and creating a seamless rack to data center visibility solution.
Wonderful. Well, you have lots to contribute this year at the OCP Virtual Summit. What do you hope to take away from the event?
So there are two key things I want to point out. First, we want to get the word out that we are embracing the spirit of OCP with the launch of these two products that I just described to you, the UHD test platform as well as the Vision Edge OS. We also believe that Keysight Ixia is committed to open source and the needs of the Sonic community as part of this, and we're going to be participating in the test working group, to move and help fuel this evolution.
Wonderful. Well, let's talk about going back to the beginning here and why Keysight initially chose to be part of the Open Compute project?
So as I mentioned before, we really want to be able to contribute the experience that we've gained over the last 20 years to the OCP community. And we're going to be doing that by contributing test methodologies and automation code that will help the testbed project. In addition to that, our participation in this OCP ecosystem really helps us to learn what and how hyperscalers are embracing disaggregated modular ecosystems. And we feel that we have a lot of high performance, high fidelity test solutions that we believe can be adopted by the OCP ecosystem and the Sonic ecosystem. So we really want to use this engagement to bring visibility to what we have.
So where can our viewers go to learn more? Your website or even at the summit?
So first, for viewers that are interested to find more, you can visit the Keysight Ixia Virtual OCP booth. And in addition to that, there are several product demos that are there, and you can take a look at the product videos. You'll also have the opportunity to interface and interact with our product experts through a Q&A session, or you can have a virtual meeting. On top of this, if you want to find out more information, you can visit our website at www.ixiacom.com. And a lot of the things that I spoke about today, you will find more details about there.
Lots of ways to connect. Thank you so much for your time, Ram. It was great speaking with you.
Thank you, Laura.
And thank you, viewers, for tuning in to OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.